guided meditation for complete beginners. As we begin this meditation, find a comfortable seated position. Choose whether you feel more relaxed with your eyes gently closed or softly open. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth to begin settling in. Meditation is simply focused awareness. It means directing your attention inward to connect with the present moment. Bring your attention to the easy, natural flow of your breath. Feel each inhale and exhale without needing to change anything. Your mind will naturally wander as you meditate. Thoughts about the past or future will arise. This is completely normal. When thoughts distract you, practice gently returning your focus to your breath. We anchor in the present by continuously bringing the mind back. It's this simple yet powerful practice of focusing your awareness that reveals the inner peace and wisdom that exists within you always. Don't worry about clearing your mind completely. Just witness thoughts arise, then let them float away like clouds across a sky. Your breath helps bring you into the here and now. Keep returning your attention to each inhale and each exhale. There is no need to judge yourself or your thoughts. Simply come back to your breath with patience and self-kindness. Meditation is the journey of a lifetime. By committing just a few minutes each day, you cultivate more presence, insight, and tranquility. As our time together concludes, reflect on how this felt for you. You now have simple guidance for establishing your own meditation practice. Whenever your mind is distracted in daily life, you can return to your breath just as we did today. This refocuses you in the present. Let this be the beginning of your journey to reconnect with inner peace. It starts right here, right now, one breath at a time. Take another deep breath in and out. When you're ready, gently open your eyes.